Hello guys, kamusta kayo? So I'm here now in my kitchen again. So ang akin lulutuin ngayon sa Japsi glass Korean noodles. Parang hindi na ako marunong magsalita sa camera. So I'm gonna start guys kasi mainit na yung akin oil. So ito na lahat yung mga ingredients ko. Sandali lang. Unahin natin muna yung onions. Para hindi pa mainit yung ating frying pan. So ito na. So the more onions and vegetable, the healthier, right? So ito lang, very simple lang guys yung ingredients. So ito na, ready na yung Korean glass noodles. At saka yung mushrooms, bell pepper, and carrot. At saka maraming spinach. So ito yung ingredients. Very simple. Tapos sesame seeds. Then I made the sauce already ready. Sesame oil, soy sauce, and brown sugar. And then for the garnish, green onions. So ito lang guys, very simple. So first time ko ito luto. So, I hope na masarap. So, kasi we have a vegan or vegetarian people here. So, I'm gonna make only the veggies for now. But I have chicken for myself. I already cooked the chicken separately. So, ito luto na. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito ang aking chicken wings yun, pero pwede din meat, pero I don't eat a lot of red meat, so I just make chicken. So ito yung aking menu for today. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, layer pad luto na.